back to my channel. So I'm gonna do this really quick video before I head to the gym. I'm actually in a rush, but I want to show you guys my daily makeup removal routine. I know I created a video on my, I think it was a night routine video. I will link it in the description so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But in that video I did, you know, talk a lot about scrubbing and using a mask. Those are things that I don't do every day, so I figured, you know what, let me create another video so I can show you guys what I do every day to take off my makeup. So the first thing that I start doing, and this is pretty basic, is using a makeup wipe. I use the Neutrogena wipes. I just ran out. But I basically get the wipes and just wipe off my makeup. My makeup looks super basic right now, but it's because I'm just coming from work, and my everyday work makeup, it is not full glam. It is so basic. So that's why it looks like this. So I just wipe everything off. So in the past, what I would do, and it's not a good idea, you guys should not even do this, I would just wipe off my makeup with a makeup wipe, go to the bathroom and just wash everything off with face wash, and that would be it. But then I realized that my skin was always breaking out, and I was always having these blackheads. And you know, I would exfoliate, you know, once a week or twice a week, but then I never saw any changes to my skin. So I figured, you know what, I need to do something differently. So I recently spoke with somebody who I admired her skin, and she told me that she uses a 3-step cleansing method. And I said, what do you mean? And so she basically told me that she does not only use makeup wipes and then move into washing her face with her face wash. She actually either tones or scrubs or uses different methods to make sure that she's getting all the makeup on her face, because the makeup wipes are not going to take off everything, and even just your face wash, it's not going to get into your pores and take out all the makeup and all the dirt. So what I use now, I'll show you guys. So I recently purchased this Vanity Palette Spa brush set. This is the box that it comes in. And then it's also packaged in this guy. This is where you have your brush sitting, and then this is where the little bristles go in. And what this is that it's a dual brush. I'll show you. So this is the handle, and it does come with 3 different bristles. So I will show you what the bristles look like. So this is the one that I use every day because it's softer. And the bristles do have 2 different intensity levels, which is why I call it a dual bristle brush. So every bristle has 2 different levels of intensity. This is a little bit harsher. You can see the bristles are a little bit more defined. So this you would use if you really need to scrub your face and you haven't been scrubbing it in so long. This would be a good bristle to use. And then there's also this one. This is similar to the first one that I showed you. I think the only difference is the color, but they're equally soft. So what I do is that I just put it on the handle like this. Actually, I'm going to use the black one. So you just put it on the handle like this. And then this is a little button. So this is the level that I always use because it's not too intense. And if I need to increase the intensity, I would just hit this again. And then do you see the change in the intensity and the speed? So I'm going to go ahead and put my face wash on my face, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I use this little guy. Sometimes I do put my face wash on the bristles as well. That way I have enough to just apply in my entire face. So I'm going to go do that, and I'll be right back. Because I just finished wetting my face. This is the face wash that I use. Just apply a little bit of face wash on my hands like that. Just like that. just enough for the face. And I like to go down my neck. I know one thing that people always forget is cleaning and exfoliating your face, making sure, your neck, and making sure that you're getting rid of all those toxins and the dirt. I know I say dirt. So I'm just putting a little bit of face wash around my neck. Because when I apply my makeup, I come all the way down to my neck and my jawline. So you want to make sure you get those areas as well. And then what I'm going to do now is just to put some face wash on the brush. Just a little bit. And I did wet the brush. And then I'm going to do this. So I literally do this every day when I take my makeup off. So I make sure that I use the lowest intensity level with this bristle because I definitely don't want to irritate my skin using a very high intensity and harsh level. So this is definitely very soft and gentle on my skin. I just go around my skin and I make sure I get in those little creases around the nose, like that, and then on the edge of my lips. You want to make sure you get all those areas on your skin that crease. And then I just come down like this. How dirty it looks. So I'm just gonna go wash this out and then wash my face, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. My skin definitely feels so smooth. I've been using this technique for about 2 weeks now, and I've started noticing a change in my skin with the consistency when I apply makeup. Before, when I apply makeup, you could definitely see through my pores and you could see breakage, but now you don't really see that. You definitely see that my skin looks healthier. So I'm definitely gonna keep doing this. I've always, struggled with bad skin. My skin always broke out. If it didn't break out, it was just different shades of inconsistency. So I'm definitely proud of myself for finally finding something that works out for me. This is definitely a good tool, the Vanity pack that I just showed you guys, the Vanity Palette. Also, one thing that you guys can do that I do that has been helping me out is exfoliating with the brush around your chest. I definitely break out a lot around my chest area, so I always use the brush when I'm in the bathroom, or sometimes I just use my scrub to, exfoliate those areas and just make sure I get rid of the dark spots and the blackheads. If you guys can't afford this brush, which is actually very, very inexpensive, it wasn't that expensive, you can always use different alternatives like scrubbing twice a week. I wouldn't recommend anything more than that because you definitely want to make sure that your skin is healthy and that you're not constantly putting it under harsh conditions. So I would say scrub twice a week and alternate the date. So if you scrub on a Monday, just scrub again on a Thursday and then mask on a Sunday. So that way you're spacing out the times and the days when you are putting your skin under these conditions of cleaning and exfoliating. So that's always an alternative. If you can afford this brush, which is, trust me, not so expensive, you want to use this every day. And when you're using it, make sure that you're not using the high intensity level. Just use the first, and the lowest intensity level is the first pressure button that you hit. So when you hit it, that's the first level, and then the second one is the second push. So it's really easy. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and comment. I've been rambling so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Voila.